Hi, I'm Amalie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over how to undo something in ClickUp. So if you've made a mistake and you need to undo it. So the first thing I'm going to show you is in the task description. Let's say you accidentally delete what you had in there. There's this little clock looking icon here. You click on that. And then you can click on restored. So this is going to save the history for it. So I'm just going to click on that so it'll restore it back to the one that I want. And it'll be in there. And then if you do leave a comment and then you decide to delete it, briefly there's going to be something here to undo it. That does go away eventually, but it'll be there briefly. Now, let's say you've deleted, maybe a folder by accident or a task or something like that. If you go to trash at the two circles, the bottom left, click on trash, and then all the things that you've deleted will be popped up here. And you can, clear your trash if you want, and it'll tell you what it is. So maybe this custom field, I want to restore that. So now it's going to restore it back to where it was. I can restore tasks, I can restore lists, folders, and it'll tell you what it is that was deleted and then the location for it and when it was deleted and who deleted it. So that's how you undo in ClickUp. Okay, so in the doc, you also have the option for restoring by clicking on history, and then it will give you of when it was last saved. So if you did have something that was in there and you accidentally deleted it, you can restore what you had in there. All right, so that's undo in ClickUp. I hope that was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to catch our future videos. And if you're looking for additional support, there is a link below that you can book a free call and we can connect and see if there's a way that I can help you out to get set up and use ClickUp more efficiently. Again, I'm Amalie with Systematic Excellence Consulting. Thank you so much for watching.